I'm John Hynes. My company is Copyprint Services. We provide a managed print service across the whole of the North West. So that's photocopiers, printers, leasing them, renting them, and then maintaining them throughout their lives. We've worked with Tao for a number of years on our website, and recently with the SEO work that they've done for us, we've seen a massive increase in the amount of volume coming through the website, which has led to a lot more inquiries and more business. Over the last 5 months, due to us optimising multiple pages on the site, we've seen triple the number of visitors to the site. I think Tao stand out in their industry, a lot due to Matt and his broad business knowledge. They really understand what it is we do as a business, so they understand our brand and our ethos, that we're not just about selling boxes, we're trying to help our customers, so we see them as much as a partner as anything.